Explore the dynamic world of social media marketing. Discover strategies and tools essential for connecting with billions globally. This guide will equip you with insights to thrive in today's digital landscape. Social media marketing is crucial today, with 5.4 billion global users and 65.5% of the world's population engaging daily. United States adults spend an average of 2.25 hours on these platforms. This environment fosters brand awareness, targeted advertising, and real-time customer engagement, offering growth opportunities that traditional marketing cannot match. Facebook, with 3.07 billion users, is a marketing powerhouse. Founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, it boasts 83% marketer adoption. Generating $164.5 billion in 2024, its essential features include business pages, Facebook Shops, groups, live video, messenger bots, and advanced targeting in Ads Manager, making it indispensable for business growth. Establish a robust Facebook business presence by creating a detailed business page with engaging visuals and clear calls to action. Configure your Facebook shop with a product catalog and payment options. Launch targeted campaigns using Ads Manager to define audience specifics and budget. Continuously monitor metrics, A/B test, and optimize for better performance and return on investment. Instagram, launched in 2010 and acquired by Meta, is the leading visual platform with 3 billion active users, primarily aged 18 to 29. Key features include stories, reels, Instagram shopping, and influencer collaborations, making it ideal for fashion, food, travel, and lifestyle brands, aiming for visual impact and global reach. Instagram's growth is evident with billions of users and high engagement rates. To maximize reach, use 5 to 10 relevant hashtags, blending popular and niche tags. Prioritize Reels, as they receive 22% more engagement. Post during peak times, weekdays 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. for optimal visibility. Leverage trending audio for algorithmic advantage. YouTube, with 2.5 billion users, is a video powerhouse. Founded in 2005 and acquired by Google, it reaches 73% of United States adults. Marketers can leverage explainer videos, tutorials, and emotional storytelling to engage audiences. Optimize for search engine optimization, as YouTube is the second largest search engine. Monetize through memberships, ads, and affiliate marketing. Create a compelling thumbnail with high contrast text and upload videos in at least 1080p quality. Optimize metadata with a keyword-rich title and detailed description. Use 5 to 8 relevant tags for search optimization. Engage viewers with end screens, cards, and comments. Utilize YouTube Studio Analytics for insights on watch time and audience retention to refine strategies. LinkedIn is a powerhouse for business-to-business marketing with over 350 million active users, primarily professional decision-makers. With 69% of business-to-business marketers utilizing the platform, its value is evident. Key features include company pages for brand presence, LinkedIn articles for thought leadership, and lead gen forms for seamless conversions, making it ideal for professional services and recruitment. Publishing LinkedIn articles is crucial for establishing expertise, offering in-depth insights and industry analysis. Leverage LinkedIn ads to target decision makers with precision. Sharing case studies with metrics and visuals enhances credibility. Data indicates LinkedIn articles achieve the highest engagement, underscoring their importance in thought leadership strategies. Founded in 2003 and rebranded as X in 2024, this platform is pivotal for real-time news and public discourse with 586 million users. It excels in brand voice development through concise communication and is crucial for crisis management. Key features include tweets, threads, spaces, and strategic hashtags for viral marketing and customer service. Crafting a viral tweet thread begins with a hook tweet that promises value, like thread, 7 marketing mistakes costing you $10,000 plus monthly. Enhance engagement by 150% with visuals every 2 to 3 tweets. Use 1 to 2 strategic hashtags for discoverability. number your tweets for clarity, and end with a call to action, encouraging retweets and follows. TikTok, with 1.6 billion global users, offers massive reach and engagement. Launched in 2016, it quickly became a cultural phenomenon. Its For You page algorithm prioritizes engaging content, enabling new creators to go viral. Key marketing features include trending audio, duets, branded challenges, and TikTok Shop, essential for reaching Generation Z and driving brand awareness. Creating a branded challenge on TikTok involves selecting a simple, repeatable action aligned with your brand values. Develop a unique hashtag and post seed content. Partner with influencers to launch the challenge, reaching their audiences. Engage by liking, commenting, and duetting user submissions to foster community and amplify participation. TikTok's engagement rates significantly surpass other platforms, offering brands unparalleled viral potential. Research your target audience's preferred platforms. Business-to-business companies should focus on LinkedIn, while consumer brands benefit from Instagram and TikTok. Prioritize quality over quantity by mastering 2 to 3 platforms. Blend organic content with paid advertisements for reach. Use analytics to refine strategies, ensuring growth and engagement in 2025 and beyond.